Hey guys, Exertech here for another video tutorial for you guys today. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys that have upgraded to iOS 6 how to get a pretty decent YouTube player that you can use on your devices. And this works with iOS 5, iOS 6, any operating system. I haven't even actually upgraded to iOS 6 on my iPad, but I have on my phone. And I just thought I would find something for you guys that do have iOS 6 that no longer have the native YouTube application. I thought I'd find an application that would work for you guys. So what you're going to need for this tutorial is an application called Open App Market, and it's sort of an application and sort of a bookmark. So I'm going to show you what it is here in just a second. First thing we'll do is go ahead and open up our Safari browser here. I'm going to type in Open App Market. So let's go ahead and type in Open App MKT. So the first result that comes up here is this link here, Open App Market. If you open it up, the first thing it's going to do is ask you to add it to your home screen. So this is actually going to give you the application if you don't have it already. Now, to give you a little bio as far as what Open App Market is, it's a free web-based web application store for iOS devices. So obviously you have access to the App Store from Apple, but there are a lot of really cool, neat little applications you can actually get from this free marketplace just by adding this this link to your home screen. So all you do is go to the top here, click Add to Home Screen, and it'll give you the application icon. You can click Add, and then you'll get a little icon that'll look similar to this here. You can see here it says Open App Market. So if I click in that, it's actually going to launch the application full screen. This is the Open App Market. So today I just told you that we're going to be looking at a YouTube app for the iPad. So all you have to do is once you have the Open App Market web app on your iPad or iOS device, you can type in YouTube, and then if you're on an iPad, YouTube iPad. You can see they've got an application here for YouTube on the iPad. So if I click on that and click Free, and click Install the app, and all it does is it opens up a link in your Safari browser to download. So let me just try that one more time. And it's not perfect, but it's a pretty decent web store to kind of check out different applications that maybe you can't find in the regular app store. So I found some pretty good use with this. For YouTube was one of them. I've also found a couple applications for music that were kind of neat. They have a Groove Shark application, which is pretty cool. But it's really simple and easy to use, and pretty much all of these applications are free. So I'll go ahead and show you again how to get this onto your iPad. Alright, so once you've successfully got it to launch onto your Safari browser, again it's going to ask you to save it to your home screen. So if I go back up here and I click Add to Home Screen, it's going to give you the image of the application. You simply click Add, and you can of course change the name if you want to. And once you've done that, you'll get an application icon on your home screen that looks something similar to this in the very bottom of my iPad. You can see that it says YouTube. So if I open up this icon here, I've now got YouTube Mobile full screen on my iPad. So one of the biggest problems that I've had with YouTube Mobile is primarily I actually signed up for the HTML5 demo recently, and they actually changed the whole interface on the iPad for YouTube. So now instead of having the dual arrows to full screen, you can no longer full screen YouTube on the iPad or the iPhone. So I'm stuck with having to see my Safari bar and not get really the full version of a video on my device because it's only part of the screen that's getting filled up. So with this application, I get to see all of YouTube's mobile application, and I get to watch videos full screen. So I'll just show you an example here. If I type in my channel here, I can see some of my videos. I'll just play a quick video just to show you that it works. So this is all full screen YouTube mobile, and if I want to full screen a video, once it loads here, I can simply click in the video, click the maximize button, and now, as opposed to using Safari or one of my web browsers where maximizing the actual video would only take up part of the screen and I would still have my address bar, now the video is full screen, so I can watch any of my videos full screen in landscape or portrait orientation. And so if I flip it around here, you can see it actually flips, and now it's full screen in landscape as well. And so I can switch between these, and it works really, really nice. I guess the only complaint that I might have is that you do still have the YouTube progress bar at the bottom. Some people might like that. I find that it's sometimes a little bit distracting to see the little red line at the bottom of the screen. But for the most part, I mean, it works pretty well. You can see the video again, it's playing full screen just as if it was in the native YouTube app for iPad and iPhone. Again, this is the interface I was telling you guys about. Not all of you might see this yet because only select users have been upgraded, but for those of you that have upgraded to the HTML5 demo or who have been selected to participate, they have taken away the old style of YouTube on mobile devices for iPad. And so now, again, instead of seeing the Apple-style screen for all of your videos, you're stuck with this new kind of beta version where you've got mostly YouTube controls, and it almost looks like the way that YouTube looks on your desktop player, just kind of fit down into a tablet scale. So I mean, it's all right. It doesn't work very well within Safari or my web browsers because again, I can never full screen the video. But if you get this application from Open App Market, again, it's for free. You can browse your videos and see everything, and it's really nice to have it all full screen. And I actually really find that it's pretty intuitive. My opinion, I like it just as much as the native YouTube application. I really don't see that there's too much of a disadvantage because as long as I can maximize my videos, you know, I'm happy. So that's pretty much all there is to it. I would recommend that you guys check out the Open App Marketplace and check out some of the applications they have there. Again, completely free, lots of great applications. I'll probably be making a new tutorial pretty soon here for the GrooveShark app. They have one in the Open App Marketplace for free music streaming from the HTML5 music application for GrooveShark. For this tutorial, guys, that's everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.